Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is a price chart for Bitcoin. And based on this major move to the downside, it really seems as though market participants were expecting a rate cut by the Federal Reserve today. Now, they did not get a rate cut. They did not get a rate hike. In fact, interest rates remain the same today. But Jerome Powell is slated to speak here in the next couple of minutes. And a lot of people have very positive expectations for Pepe after Jerome Powell speaks. You guys can see here that the headlines are calling for 100% price spikes after the FOMC meeting. Let's jump into it. And then, of course, if that happens, we're going to see some major action for Play Doge ahead because meme coins will be rocketing higher. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got Play Doge on the screen right now, and oh my goodness, we're gonna go over this in a second, but if at any time during the video you guys find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you click that link in the description. It's gonna pull up the correct website. Very, very easy to connect your wallet and make that purchase there. But first, let's go over this. Oh my goodness, dude. A 100% increase in the price of Pepe following the FOMC meeting. Now, you guys can see on the screen right here that Bitcoin falling lower quickly on the interest rate decision indicates to me that people were expecting different news. They were expecting better news. And the only thing better than leaving rates unchanged would have been lowering rates. So I do believe market participants were expecting interest rates to be lowered today, and that is not what we got. So instead, we're looking at Pepe. We're looking at Pepe potentially hitting a 100% price increase. So let's see what the key points are. It says Pepe's price, currently testing a lower trend line of the rising wedge pattern, has the potential to rebound 100% towards 2200 points per guys. A 100% increase is going to send Pepe beyond all-time highs. I'm very, very excited about this. Large investors continue to hold substantial Pepe supplies despite recent price corrections, and Pepe's likelihood of rallying by over 100% increases amid boosting expectations for a September interest rate cut. So what is going to happen today? Jerome Powell is slated to talk here in the next couple of minutes. By the time you guys are watching this video, he may have already had his speech. So by the time you guys are watching this video, you're going to see whether or not these price predictions are on their way to becoming true. Now, no, I don't expect, $1 billion to flow into Pepe immediately after Jerome Powell's discussion. However, if he sets us up on the right course, if he begins talking about a rate cut in September, if he says that everything is good to go, yes, Pepe then could begin driving higher, and at that point, Pepe could break through these all-time highs and continue to hit the higher highs and higher lows that it has been on for really since it launched. Now, guys, this token was the fastest token to ever reach $1 billion market cap, literally starting at nothing and ripping up to $1.7 billion, falling back down a little bit, and currently has its eye on a $10 billion market cap, trying to break up through the $6 billion number. But if that 100% price peak becomes true, it is going to be gearing down on $10 billion. And if Pepe is hitting a $10 billion market cap, and Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin and all of the meme coins are ripping higher, little tokens like Play Doge could see astronomical percentage gains. It's nice to buy into something like Pepe or Shiba Inu coin and so on because it's got a little bit more security than these brand new tokens. It's got price action that you can make your judgments based on. These tiny little tokens like Play Doge that are in the pre-sale rounds have the most potential. Because they're going to launch with the smallest amount of market caps, they therefore have the highest amount of potential to see very, very easy price increases. Now, it's not always the case, and you do have to leave it up to the overall market. If the market is bullish, you're going to see prices rise. If the market is bearish, you're going to see prices decline. But these tiny pre-sales offer so much opportunity, which is why I bought into Play Doge. Now, if you want to buy into Play Doge, it's very easy to click connect your wallet, decide how you want to connect your wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect Simply scan this QR code with my wallet on my phone and then decide how much you want to buy. So if you want to buy 5 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 3.46 million Play Doge. You can also buy with USDT or on the BNB blockchain. And you may prefer to buy on the BNB blockchain because then you can stake your Play Doge. And you're currently earning 87% annualized interest and not even having to worry about the pre-sale launching, about the price volatility, about trading, about anything. You're going to be sitting there collecting that 87% annualized interest. And of course, that number will go down as more and more people stake their Play Doge. So please keep in mind that that reward rate is dynamic. Now, from there, what are you buying into? Play Doge is a play-to-earn Doge companion game that is going to go through 40 different stages or 40 different price increases before this pre-sale ends. So if you guys want to lock in one of the lowest prices you're ever going to see again, you can lock in at 00507, and then of course it's going to increase until launch day, and then the market takes over. So check this out. They're building a play-to-earn Tamagotchi-style Doge game. You're going to be able to pet it, feed it, water it, entertain it, let it sleep, all of the good stuff to raise your Tamagotchi, and you're going to earn Play Doge while doing so. On top of that, they've got all of these sweet little mini games that you're going to be able to play as well. And guys, the more time you spend in this app, the more Play Doge you're going to earn absolutely free. So definitely think about, not only buying into Play Doge, right? But think about if you want to play the Play Doge games as well. They are going to be released during phase 4 of the roadmap here. You're going to have the launch of mini games and the Play Doge app release. So keep in mind that it's not going to be launched right as soon as the listing happens for Play Doge there. If you want to break down to the tokenomics, you can get them here. 50% going to the pre-sale, 6.5% to community, 11.5% to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 10% to project funds, and 12% to those 87% annualized staking rewards. If you guys are still unsure of how to buy, they've got a very easy step-by-step tutorial down at the bottom of their website. And the most frequently asked questions, this one I see the most: when can you claim? Once the pre-sale concludes, now remember there's 40 stages, all buyers will be able to claim their Play tokens using the same wallet that they contributed with. Token claiming will take place on the BNB chain. So even if you guys buy with Ethereum, you're going to need to claim on the Binance Smart Chain. So you're going to need to have some BNB in your portfolio or some BSC in your portfolio if you guys expect to claim Play Doge here. So when the time comes, it's going to be traded on the Binance Smart Chain. It's going to be a Binance token and hopefully going to sit upon the trending list of all of the tokens for everybody to see as the price continues to increase. Guys, I am very excited about Play Doge. That's why I've bought in. They're doing crazy numbers right now. $4.1 million already raised in the first 2 weeks of this pre-sale. It's obvious people are excited about them as well. I think they're hitting the perfect demographic in the cryptocurrency space, targeting this 90s nostalgia, the Tamagotchi style, the minigame style, the play-to-earn style. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and let me know if you're buying in as well. Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.